All right, before we dive in, if you're all about using AI to build smarter, not harder, do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button for @BrandTechAuth right below. You're going to want to stick around for this one, trust me.
Okay, let me ask you something. Are you still paying for ChatGPT, Zapier, Canva? If you are literally bleeding money. But what if I told you that you've got this whole suite of incredibly powerful and yet completely free AI tools just sitting there, hidden inside your Google account? Now, this isn't just going to be another boring list of apps. No way. Today, we are actually building something. We're going to connect these tools step by step into a single, cohesive, and did I mention, zero-cost business engine. We're even going to show you how to vibe code. Yeah, you heard that right, which is basically building apps just by describing what you want. So, let's get into it.
Okay, first things first, let's tackle the elephant in the room when it comes to free AI. Is my data safe, right? This is actually where this Google toolset is totally different. We're talking about real-deal enterprise-grade security that's just built in, and it's for everyone.
All right, so check this out. Here's the lineup of what we're replacing. ChatGPT Plus, which is like $20 a month, gone. We've got Google AI Studio. Zapier, kiss that subscription goodbye, because we've got Opal. NotebookLM is going to take care of all your custom research. And for the really heavy-duty automation, you've got AppScript with Gemini. Oh, and for design, Pomeli and NanoBanana are stepping in for Canva and Midjourney. I mean, when you add it all up, you're looking at saving hundreds of dollars a year. It's a no-brainer.
So what's the secret sauce for security? It's this concept, stateless by default. Now, in plain English, that just means your business data is your business data, period. It is not being used to train Google's public models. Think of it like a totally private conversation that just vanishes when it's over. And this isn't just a promise. It's certified with top-tier security standards like SOC 2. It's safe enough for a Fortune 500 company, but you get it for free.
All right, let's get our hands dirty. We're going to start by building the first piece of our engine, a secure, private research brain. And for that, we're going to use a tool called NotebookLM.
So the first thing we got to do is feed this new AI brain of ours. You can upload up to 50 different sources. I'm talking competitor websites, industry reports, PDFs, even transcripts from YouTube. What NotebookLM does is create this totally secure, private little sandbox where the AI can only access the information you've given it. That's it. Nothing else gets in. But wait, this is where it gets seriously cool. NotebookLM can take all that research you just uploaded and, get this, instantly turn it into an interactive podcast. I mean, imagine literally having a conversation with your documents, asking questions and getting answers back in real time. It's an unbelievably powerful feature. And because it's what they call a 100% RAG-locked environment, which is just a fancy way of saying the AI is locked in and can only pull answers from your docs, you get citations for every single answer. You always know where the info came from.
Okay, and that brings us to this awesome technique I call the hallucination hack. When you're in Gemini, you can directly reference your NotebookLM project right inside your prompt. It's just one simple step, but it forces Gemini to completely ignore the public internet and only use your hand-picked, trusted data for its answers. Honestly, it's a total game changer for getting reliable results.
And we're not talking about a small improvement here. Using this hack can slash AI hallucinations, when the AI just makes stuff up, by around 70%. 70. That means you're getting way more reliable, factual outputs every single time.
Okay, so our research brain is up and running. Now for part 2, building an actual product. And guess what? We're going to do it without writing a single line of code. We're going to use this concept called vibe coding.
Vibe coding, it's pretty much exactly what it sounds like. It's the whole idea that you can build a real application just by describing it in plain English. Seriously. No coding classes required. If you can think it, you can build it. So you just pop open Google AI Studio and start talking to it. You could say something like, hey, build me an app that can read invoices, pull out the total amount and the due date, and then just organize all that in a nice, neat table. And boom, AI Studio will literally generate a functional app that does exactly that. And it's using the same super advanced AI models that other companies are charging you a premium for.
All right, we're on the home stretch. Now for the final and maybe most crucial piece that ties this whole thing together, the automation layer. We're going to use a tool called Opal to connect our brand new app to the rest of our workflow. This is what turns our cool collection of tools into a real automated business engine.
Yeah, to put it simply, Opal is Google's free, visual, no-code answer to services like Zapier. It's this super intuitive tool that lets you connect that app we just built with all the other Google stuff you use every day. Gmail, Sheets, Calendar, the whole shebang. And building a workflow is just ridiculously easy. You just visually drag a line from your new app to a Google Sheet. Then you just tell Opal what to do, again, in plain English. Something like, okay, when new data from my invoice reader lands in this sheet, go ahead and draft a follow-up email in Gmail and then create a calendar invite for the due date. And that's it. Opal handles the rest, building the whole automation out for you.
Okay, let's just pause for a second and look at what we've actually done here. We didn't just look at a few cool tools. No, we've built a fully integrated, completely zero cost, and totally secure business engine from scratch. So think about it. You now have a business stack that is 1, completely free, saving you hundreds, maybe thousands of dollars. 2, it's fully automated, which is going to save you countless hours of boring manual work. And 3, and this is the big one, because of that stateless by default architecture we talked about, it's enterprise secure. Your company's data stays yours, protected. Look, every single one of these tools is already waiting for you in your Google account right now. They're just sitting there. You have a free, automated, and secure system right at your fingertips. So the only real question left is, what are you going to vibe code next?